Maxpeedingrods Coilovers are the cheapest you can buy online.
I heard some mixed reviews about these, like explosions, braking,
and can ruin your car. So knowing that, we think it's a good idea to put it on our Civic. But why?
This is our Honda Civic, and we lowered it on springs. But last time we actually had a problem with that. Fire!
So we got these.
Maxpeedingrods, and we're going to figure out if these stories are really true and if they are really that bad.
The baseline test.
How the car drives with lowering springs, and hopefully they don't break.
Because we don't know if these welds will hold. So for the baseline test, we're going to take the car into different, normal, everyday challenges. So how does a car drive with lowering springs?
Every time I turn, I hear something scraping, and it's because the lowering springs are soft.
It's clapping. How was the driving experience?
Not that great. It felt very indirect and lots of body roll.
So let's try and see if we can fix this. Back to the shop. Bro!
It's a team lift. It's for my safety.
Team lift. It's pretty heavy. Ooh, nice. They look pretty nice, to be honest.
So you can adjust them in height, spring rate and stiffness.
So what about the build quality?
What's this?
They are very tight.
It's not like very smooth.
No, this one is. But this one, apparently there was a stone chip here. They just used some touch-up paint. The others.
Also.
This is a slightly different color.
Yeah.
This one has metallics in it, more slider. Yeah, it's different. The color is different.
Totally. Does it matter?
Not really.
But I think it just shows that this is like a cheaper product, less consistent in all the things that they do. Do the springs look the same?
Also slightly different. Look.
Oh, yeah.
But will this be a big issue when we drive this car? We'll find out.
These look the same.
These look the same.
Okay.
10,000 lifts.
Okay, time to install these. But we'll be running into some issues. First remove the wheels, then all these bolts.
Alright.
Then the two on top.
Ouch!
Hey, so next challenge.
Challenge. How low do we want to go?
Yeah, from here
From
to there.
here to there.
Or from there to there.
What the We might have a problem.
In the bucket.
In the bucket with water.
It would. No, don't let it dry. Let it dry.
Anyways.
So we're measuring the coilovers to make sure that they're the same height. But we don't actually know how long they have to be. You'll only know once they are on the car and the car is lowered.
Team lift.
With these clips we mount the brake lines next to the coilovers.
Also a challenge, we need a jack. Get the jack.
Because these coilovers are so short, we push the control arms into the coilovers.
Yeah?
A little bit. Wait. Okay, stop. Lower.
No need to tighten it up.
No, it's not tight enough. Trying it with a jack. Should I pump the jack? What the fuck? Oh, maybe we need a ring. So we need this on. So now it's stuck. Yeah, okay, so that was it.
Time to put the wheel on and see how low it actually goes.
This should be it.
Lower it more?
No, that's the lowest.
No. Try it a little bit more. No, lowers even way more now.
Okay, a little bit more. Max. Is it low?
It's low.
Okay, so also do the other side.
Yeah.
Better. Don't forget these. Stiffest setting.
Oh, that's hard. It seems to work, but how does it drive? First we have to do the rear, but
Why is this loose?
How is this then?
This is tight.
Wait.
You didn't loosen this up, right?
No, 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 no.
What the Okay.
Okay. I guess you have to check everything.
Okay.
Interesting.
Le derrière.
So it's 1 bolt here. Oh no, wait.
Oh no!
Here comes up.
Fire!
But when we thought things were gonna get easy,
We need a different arm for this, I think. You have new arms here. This goes. Oh, like this. Wait.
Wait.
Does this fit? Something is wrong. What did we order? This is not right.
This.
What?
Oh.
And now?
Now we order another set.
So when you think you can just do this in a day.
One eternity later.
So we have it now.
Took a while, and the package a little bit damaged, but
Are these not the same?
they look the same. Will it fit?
Yes, this looks more like it. Are the old ones?
The ones which didn't fit,
Yeah, which you figured out you bought
wrong ones.
for the...
Honda Civic.
Yes, and this is for the EG. Oh look, oh yeah.
well, things like this
The
happen.
design is pretty similar. They're all the same factory.
All the same factory.
Okay, time to get installing.
Lower. Don't drop it.
Where's the other one?
Don't drop it.
Did you take the other one?
No.
No.
Did you drop it?
No, it was still on.
Serious?
It was still on. Top.
Oh. No. Are you gonna do that in your free time?
If we leave it in there, it will rattle every time we drive. And if we can't get it out with this magnet, it means we have to remove the whole rear interior again.
I think it's stupid design.
Ah!
Ooh.
Oh, luckily.
Lucky.
Lucky! Remember the last time?
It didn't happen. It didn't happen.
Okay, now for the bottom bolts.
Jesus. Wait. You broke this one, right?
Yes. So will you break this one? And it's moving.
It's moving.
That's good.
Yeah.
Now with that loose, we're going to remove the rest of the bolts. We want to remove the whole control arm, including the coilovers. Then onto the other side, but we noticed something really strange.
Why didn't we see this before?
Yeah.
What's
Why is it so different?
One is longer than the other one.
Look the same. That's what happens if you buy a 30-year-old car. Visually, they were different.
That happens.
Let's put this one on first. I feel this is pretty good height. So this
16.5 to the seal.
17. Why is this different?
So,
Wait.
spring rate.
Why? That was also different. Is this?
No.
But the manual must have the answer.
Suggested preload is 6 to 10. How is this 6 millimeters? It doesn't make sense.
So we just make the spring load similar on both of them. And then move on to install the new control arms,
Make it longer.
adjusting the height of the coilovers to maybe be good.
Nice.
Nice. Wait. Is it supposed to be?
What?
Gap.
This gap.
Yeah? I don't
Yeah.
think it's supposed to be like this, right?
Normally no, but in this case it's right.
Because?
Because this is actually an EK suspension.
So?
EK ones are a little bit wider.
So?
So, these thingies,
Here?
yes, or the other side.
I think maybe the other side. Oh.
Hey,
Oh yeah.
perfect fit.
Okay, that's what it's for.
And we make sure we tighten everything properly. If the ride height is good, this should be it.
I hope it's just right. Oh, oh. It's too high.
Why?
Maybe. Well,
Maybe the suspension still needs to settle, so let's see it outside.
Better.
So it's time for a test drive.
Did on the softest mode.
The test drive.
Softest mode. How does it feel?
soft. I feel it's soft.
Let's see how it does on the bumps.
20.
20.
Oh!
What? Oh! What the fuck? Is the car still okay? What was that?
That was a combination of high.
What the rebound? Oh my god. Okay, no, not as fast.
Slow down. 20.
20.
It was 30.
That was. Oh, it feels. I don't
It's
know.
too soft. It's too soft.
Yeah, it doesn't feel good. Okay, now we're going for
60.
this. And. Oi! What the? Oi! What the?
No.
This is no good. Softest setting, not usable.
Nope.
It's like either it's like all the way to the bump stops, or I don't know. It's like losing traction, or
Feels like it doesn't
it's
have
floating.
any damping or something.
No.
It's too soft.
Now the hardest. Hard. Okay, hardest setting. Here we go.
Much better.
60. Good. This is such a big difference.
Good. I like it.
Feels a lot better.
It's actually quite comfortable. I didn't expect it.
30.
Oh.
No. Good. Nice.
Nice.
30 is a little bit hard, but a
it's-
lot better.
Feels very good.
Stiffer than with the springs, but not like rock solid hard. Like
It's not hard at all.
no, exactly. So it's not.
It's very usable and comfortable still. Yay.
The roundabout. I think the biggest indicator should be the smile.
Faster, stiffer, but quite comfortable still.
The Pothole. Springs versus coilovers. Let's see that in slow motion. See the difference in compression?
And
Approved.
so now,
The stance. So should we lower the car more? Let us know in the comments.
Good for a daily, but also the suspension is quite good for a daily.
yeah, I think so. It's not too hard. Yeah. So for the price, 450 bucks. I think the build quality looks good. I think it's a pretty nice set to have for a car if you're not going to track it.
It looks good also, because if you use, if you buy lowering springs also 150 euros. A lot more work.
Yeah, this is easy.
You have old shocks.
And you can adjust whatever you want with the height. So good bang for your buck.
I agree. If you like this, please like and subscribe.
Also, we have the merch.
Fix, fill, learn. Your shirt is dirty.
My dirt is shirty. Okay, see you next time.
Still rotting in the corner. He removed the fender flares, actually. Now these holes. Looks better without the flares. What is this?
What's this?
Tape we forgot to remove. Probably.
This rust looks pretty good.
Still there.
Nothing to see here.
Maybe we should fix this for another episode.
What color are you going to make it then?